everyone, welcome to English Episode. This is Jojo speaking, and today is a really special day. It's our very first episode.
And I'm Lily. Oh, Jojo, can you believe this? We finally made it. Our first recording together.
I know, I'm both excited and a little nervous, to be honest. But you know what, Lily? The topic we picked for today is perfect for beginners.
Exactly. Today's topic is one of the most common and important English questions. Tell me about yourself.
Right. Everyone hears it at job interviews, at school, when meeting new friends, even on dates.
And yet, so many people struggle with it. Some get nervous, some say too much, and some sound too formal.
So today, we're going to show you how to answer it naturally, confidently, and with your own personality.
That's right. And by the way, if you're enjoying this video already, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to English Episode. We'll be bringing you real English conversations every week.
Yes, nothing boring or textbook style, just natural English the way people really talk.
All right, Jojo, let's get started. Pretend we just met in a coffee shop. You've got your laptop open, I'm sipping my latte, and you say, "Hey, tell me about yourself."
Okay, let's role play. Hey, Lily, nice to meet you. Tell me about yourself.
Sure. My name's Lily. I'm from California, and I work as a voice coach. I help people speak clearly and confidently in English. And honestly, I love learning about other cultures.
That's perfect. Simple, warm, and friendly. Let's break that down for everyone watching. She said her name, where she's from, what she does, and something she enjoys. That's it. 4 easy parts.
Exactly. And it doesn't have to sound like a memorized speech. Just keep it conversational.
Right. For example, I might say, "Hey, I'm Jojo. I'm originally from Chicago, but I moved to New York last year. I'm a podcast host, and I love helping people learn English in a fun way."
Nice! That sounds natural and interesting. You added a little story. Originally from Chicago, moved to New York. That makes it feel real.
Yeah, those little details make a huge difference. Because when you tell a story, people remember you.
Exactly. Tell me about yourself isn't just a question. It's a chance to connect.
Well said, Lily. So let's give our viewers some quick, easy phrases they can use.
Perfect. Phrase 1. I'm currently working as, for example, I'm currently working as a teacher in a language school.
Nice. Phrase 2, I've been living in, example, I've been living in Canada for about 2 years.
Phrase 3, I'm originally from, example, I'm originally from India, but now I live in Australia.
And phrase 4, I'm really interested in, example, I'm really interested in photography and travel.
And the last one, phrase 5, in my free time, I like to, example, in my free time, I like to play guitar and hang out with my friends.
Those are great. Now you can mix them to build your own answer, like this. Hi, I'm Jojo. I'm originally from Chicago, but I've been living in New York for about a year. I'm currently working as a content creator, and in my free time, I like to explore new restaurants.
That's smooth and friendly. You don't have to say everything at once. Just be natural and show your personality.
Exactly. And you guys watching can try this at home. Pause the video, write your own version, and speak it out loud.
Yes, that's how you practice. Speaking out loud helps you sound more confident. And hey, if you want us to read your version, leave it in the comments.
Good idea. We love reading your comments. So go ahead and while you're at it, like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already.
Right. Support us so we can keep making these lessons for you every week.
All right, Lily, I've got a question. What are some common mistakes people make when answering, "Tell me about yourself"?
Good one. I think the biggest mistake is giving too little or too much information. If you just say, "My name is Lily, I'm from California," that's too short. But if you start talking for 5 minutes straight, people lose interest.
Exactly. Keep it balanced. About 4 to 6 sentences is perfect.
Another mistake I see a lot is sounding too formal. Like, "Good morning, my name is Lily Smith. I am from California."
It sounds robotic.
Yeah, it's not a school presentation. You can be polite and relaxed at the same time.
Right. Instead, you could say, hey, I'm Lily. I'm from California, and I'm passionate about helping people speak English with confidence. That's natural and friendly.
Exactly. It's all about your tone. Smile when you speak. It really changes the way your voice sounds.
That's so true. Even though people can't see your face through the phone or microphone, they can hear your smile.
You know what? That's actually one of the secrets of good communication. Sounding warm.
Totally agree. And Lily, here's another mistake people make. They try too hard to impress.
Oh, absolutely. Like when someone says, well, I am a highly motivated and goal-oriented person who strives for excellence in every area of life.
Yes, that sounds like a job interview robot. Just be yourself. Simple is powerful.
Exactly. People connect with honesty, not perfection.
You know what? That's actually a good line. People connect with honesty, not perfection. We should put that on a t-shirt.
Yes. English episode, honesty, not perfection.
We'd sell out in a week.
No doubt. But seriously, guys, if you're enjoying this talk, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps us grow and keep bringing you free lessons like this.
Absolutely. Your support means a lot, and we love seeing your comments. Tell us where you're watching from. We have listeners from so many countries already.
Yeah, last week I saw someone comment from Brazil, another from Japan, and one from Bangladesh. That's amazing.
English really brings people together.
It does.
And that's what English Episode is all about, making global conversations feel simple and fun.
Couldn't have said it better, Jojo.
So Lily, let's help our viewers actually practice this question in real life, because knowing the answer and saying it naturally are two totally different things.
Yes, that's such an important point, Jojo. People memorize lines, but when they have to actually speak, they freeze.
Exactly. So let's break it down step by step and build a natural answer together.
Perfect. Let's say we have a viewer named Emma. She's a student learning English for her future career. How could Emma introduce herself?
Maybe something like, hi, I'm Emma. I'm from Toronto and I'm a university student majoring in psychology. I love reading books about human behavior and I hope to become a counselor one day.
That's so good. It sounds natural, personal, and positive. She gave a goal at the end, which makes her sound motivated.
Exactly. And notice how the tone is friendly, not too formal. The flow feels like a real conversation.
You know, Jojo, sometimes people forget that they don't need to be perfect. Accent, grammar, little mistakes, it's all fine. What matters is communication.
Absolutely. Communication over perfection, always.
Right. I remember one of my students who used to say, I'm afraid to talk because my English isn't perfect. And I told her, your English doesn't have to be perfect. It has to be real.
I love that. English is about expressing yourself, not passing an exam.
Exactly. And viewers, if you're enjoying this episode, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to English Episode. That's how we'll know you want more content like this.
Yes, your support really helps us keep going. Now, Lily, let's do something fun. Let's play a quick game called Fast Self-Intro.
Oh no, a game? You didn't tell me about this before.
Haha, surprise! The rules are simple. You have 10 seconds to introduce yourself in the most natural way possible. Ready?
Okay, 10 seconds, let's go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Hi, I'm Lily. I'm from California. I teach English online, and I absolutely love coffee, traveling, and meeting new people.
Nice! That was 10 seconds exactly. That sounded easy and confident.
See, it doesn't need to be long, just warm, friendly, and real.
Exactly. Now it's my turn, right?
Yes, Jojo, your turn. Let's see what you've got.
All right. Hey, I'm Jojo. I'm from Chicago and I create podcasts to help people learn English naturally. I'm a big fan of hiking and good coffee.
Perfect. That was short, smooth, and full of personality.
See, you guys, that's all it takes. The key is practice.
Right. You don't need to memorize. You need to practice speaking until your mouth gets comfortable.
Exactly. And one great tip is to record yourself.
Oh, yes. Record your voice, listen back, and notice your tone, speed, and confidence.
That's how podcasters like us improve too. We still listen to our recordings and cringe sometimes.
Haha, absolutely. Sometimes I think, why did I say that? But that's how we learn.
Totally. And the good news is you don't need to be perfect to sound natural.
Exactly. You just need to sound you.
Lily, I think people also struggle with what to say if they don't have a job or if they're students.
That's true. So let's help them. If you're a student, you can say something like, I'm currently studying at your school. I'm learning your subject, and I'm really interested in your interest.
That's nice. For example, I'm currently studying business at UCLA, and I'm really interested in marketing.
Exactly. And if you're not working right now, you can still say, I'm currently looking for opportunities in, or I'm taking some time to improve my English skills.
Yes, because that sounds positive and confident instead of negative.
Right. You always want to sound like you're moving forward.
Exactly. And when people ask, tell me about yourself, they're really asking, who are you as a person?
That's such a good point. They don't want a list of facts. They want a glimpse of your story.
Yes, your story makes you memorable.
I remember when I first moved abroad, I used to say, I'm Lily, I'm from California, and stop there. But one day, a teacher said, add something personal.
What did you say after that?
I said, I'm from California, and I grew up near the beach, so I love swimming and sunsets. Everyone smiled instantly.
Of course, you gave them a picture, something to connect with.
Exactly. That's the magic.
So, if you're watching this right now, think about what makes you unique. It could be your hobby, your dream, or something you love. That's your story.
Yes, and your English will sound more natural because you'll be talking about something you actually care about.
Lily, you know what's interesting? When people talk about themselves naturally, their pronunciation improves automatically.
That's so true because when you're confident and relaxed, your words flow better.
Exactly. So if you're practicing Tell Me About Yourself, don't stress about grammar. Focus on fluency.
Yes, and trust me, native speakers make grammar mistakes all the time too.
Oh, we totally do, but communication still happens.
Right. So don't wait for perfect English to start speaking. Start speaking and your English will get better.
That's the best advice of the day.
Yes, write that down, everyone.
So to summarize, Tell Me About Yourself should sound natural, confident, and short.
Exactly. 4 to 6 sentences. Focus on who you are and what you enjoy, not your entire life story.
And practice speaking it out loud until it feels easy.
Yes, and remember, this question can come up anywhere, not just in interviews.
Totally. You might meet someone on a trip or online and they'll ask, so tell me about yourself.
And you'll be ready, thanks to this episode.
That's right. So if you found today's episode helpful, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to English Episode.
Yes, and tell us in the comments what kind of English conversations you want us to do next. Maybe how to order food in a restaurant or how to talk about your hobbies.
That sounds fun. Maybe next time we can even do a mini role play.
Deal. But for now, I think we've given everyone a solid start.
Agreed. And remember, don't be shy, be yourself. That's the best kind of English.
Well said, Jojo. Thanks everyone for joining us today. We'll see you in the next episode of English Episode.
Bye everyone. Keep practicing and keep smiling.